Hi, my name is Heath Howell. I am the Public Relations Director for the Mighty Commerce of Auburndale. Some of my key responsibilities include writing game summaries, updating the website, doing stats when needed, helping with radio and television whenever necessary, and interviewing the players. For you today, we have an interview with defenseman Ulf Samuelsson, the only Canadian player on our roster. Take a look on Commerce TV. Hi, Ulf. Thanks for being on the show today.
Well, thank you for having me on the show today.
How long have you been playing for the Commerce?
Yeah, so I've been playing for the Commerce for 2 years now, and this is my third year. So great organization so far, great fan base. Really like it here. I love my teammates. So yeah, really good experience here.
How's your experience been so far playing here? You've already got 2 championships, going for a third?
I 2 championships so far for me, and going into the playoffs this year. Hopefully we'll get that third.
Who has had the biggest impact on you while you've been here?
Well, I'd say biggest impact on me here, great leaders in the locker room like Conway and Korea, those two great guys, very unselfish players and, pass first kind of mentality. I think they're both at about 100 points this season, so, you know, hard to uh, hard to not say that they've been a great impact on me and kind of proved me to the players that they are. And, you have Gordon Bombay, the Minnesota Miracle Man, greatest coach maybe ever. I mean, just his philosophies and his attitude on winning, I mean, certainly makes us the team that we are. So I would say those are my three main guys. But I mean, I love all my teammates and I look up to all of them, and I think we all have great impacts on each other.
You're certainly a fan favorite here in Auburndale, mostly because of your physical play and ability to fight. What are your goals for each game? Is that something that you like to do, or just kind of something you're forced into?
Yeah, very appreciative of the fan base here, and I am a physical player. I have to stand up for my teammates, and I don't always want to drop the mitts, but I do it on occasion. And sometimes I like to give my knuckles a break, but you got to go out there. You got to stand up for your teammates. You got to play hard and change the momentum of the game, and that's my role. I get that, and I just try to do whatever I can for the team.
The team has played very well so far this season. What's your mindset going into the playoffs from the regular season?
Yeah, so I mean, going into the playoffs is totally different from regular season. I mean, we got to go out there. We got to make sure we win every game, and if we don't, we're headed to the golf course, and we're going to be watching at home from our TV. But we got to go out there. We got to play our best, and I think this team has a very good shot of going all the way. I mean, going to be 10 straight for us, and I really want to go make that happen.
Okay, thank you very much for your time.
Okay, thank you very much for having me.